Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get a new Venmo card. Hey everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how you can get a new Venmo card, whether it's lost, stolen, or damaged. To reorder your card, first open the Venmo app and head to the Cards tab. Tap on your Venmo debit card, then select Replace Lost, Stolen, or Damaged card. If it's lost or stolen, choose that option or select Damage if that's the case. You can also pick a new card color by tapping the pencil icon. Next, review your recent transactions, mark them as OK if everything looks correct, or report suspicious activity if needed. Review your personal information, make changes if necessary, then tap Confirm and finally select Done. Once completed, you'll see a confirmation screen letting you know your new Venmo debit card is on the way, ready for use. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.